Hello everybody, this is Jose from the Stock Market 101 channel, and I hope you guys are having a great day. And as always, please check out my latest videos, and let's get right into the video. And let's get right into it. And as you guys can see, the S&P 500 went down 0.37%, and the Dow Jones up 0.08%, and the Nasdaq went down another whopping 0.91%, which is crazy. So why are the markets going down? As you guys can see, the trade war uncertainty drags on the markets. World Stock Index down for the 5th day. Escalation in the trade war between the US and China continues. Concerns about the US President Donald Trump imposing further tariffs on Chinese imports could potentially impose an additional $200 billion tariffs on Chinese goods. Also, investors are waiting on the news from US-Canada talks about revamping the North American Free Trade Agreement. And if you guys want to check out this article, I'm going to leave it down in the description. And let's check out the Robinhood portfolio real quick. And as you guys can tell, my account tanked another day, down 5.5%, which is $515.57. And after hours trading down 0.1%, which is $8.90. So let's check out the stocks real quick. So Apple basically went down 1.66% at $3.77. And let's check out the week graph real quick. And went down 1.38% at $3.13. Let's go on to the next one. And the next one is Amazon. Amazon went down today 1.83%, which is $36.51. And let's check out the week graph. And for the week, it went down 2.5%, which is $50.11. And it did have a high point of almost 2050, which made it a $1 trillion market cap, but now it's trading below, just a little bit below the $1 trillion market cap at like 980 billion. Let's check on the next one. And the next one is Nvidia. Nvidia went down 2.05% today, which is $5.70. And let's check out the week. And for the week, it went down 1.35%. And Facebook. And Facebook went down again another whopping 2.78%, which is $4.65. And for the week, 8.49% down, which is $15.05. This is actually murdering my account right now. And especially with the call option I did, it is killing my account. And let's look at Tesla. Tesla is up. Tesla was up 0.07% today, but it did go down 0.14% after hours. And let's check out the week graph. And for the week, it is down a whopping 7.1%, which is $21.45. As you guys can see here, new serious competitor of Tesla in China, which is NIO Inc., which manufactures and markets of electric vehicles. It is expected to sell shares between $6.25 to $8.25 when it IPOs. And if you guys want to read more about this, I am going to have this link down in the description below. So these are how the new NIO cars look like. This is the SUVs. And this is like the other coupe car. Let me know what you guys think. Would you rather buy one of these or would you rather buy a Tesla? Let me know down in the comments. Next is Microsoft. Microsoft went up today at 0.23%, which is 25 cents. And for the week, let's check it out. Went down 2.62% at $2.92. Now, AbbVie went down 1.52%, and for the week, went down 2.63%, down $2.53. Boeing went up 1.32%, which is $4.59, which is probably the only one that actually did decent for me today. And for the week, up 1.73%. Next is Alibaba. Alibaba went down 2.65% at $4.36. And for the week, down a whopping 7.67%, murdering my account. And for the cannabis companies that I own, let's check that out. Canopy growth went down 2.56 today and 2.8% after hours, but still up a whopping 10.67% for the past week. And next is Aurora. Aurora Cannabis is down 5.31% today, and for the week 7.05% down. I also added both AMD and Visa to my watch list. Let's check out AMD real quick. AMD went down 2.35% today and went down 0.86% after hours, but let's check out the week. The week it is still up a whopping 10.89%, which is insane. And for Visa went up 1.28% today, and for the week down 1.64%. And as for my account, I am actually going to be waiting for the markets to rebound since it's been going down quite a bit in the past week. I think it still has a little bit of ways to go down, but once it starts rebounding, I am going to purchase some shares. Also guys, I did get a request to show how I record, so I'm gonna show you guys how I do that right now. And as for how I record my videos, this is how I record my videos. I use the OBS software. I'm gonna have that link down in the description. So basically it's gonna be all empty, and what you wanna do is add a scene. You add it doing this, but I'm not gonna add one because as soon as I edit, it's gonna disrupt my recording. And what you wanna do is add a input capture and a display capture. This is for recording your laptop screen. As for your iPhone screen, you want to do the same thing except do video capture device, but you have to have your phone connected via using a USB cord. And that's all. So that's the end of the video, everybody. Please drop a like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if I should add any more different stocks into my portfolio to diversify. And other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video.